Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast channel Speak English with ELA. Dear listeners, in today's session I am going to discuss with you about the personality development. What is the personality development? Personality development means you have to develop your personality in all the aspects. You should have you should have a good behavior, you should have a good right attitude, then you should have a good dressing sense, your communication skills, your presentation skills, your confidence, then your presence of mind, your leadership skills, your soft skills, then your public speaking skills, your knowledge, your practical skills, your body language, your non-verbal communications. All those things are included in the personality development. And whenever you are going in the corporate sector, at that time the people are just observing all these aspects, and among those aspects, if you are lacking somewhere in one single aspect also, then also it will be a bad impression on the people. That's why personality development is the most essential part in your career. As a personal life also, whenever you are interacting with someone, whenever you are just having a conversation with the people, at that time your relatives, your siblings, your cousins, your uncle, aunts, your neighbors, your friends, everybody is judging you, they are criticizing you on the basis of these soft skills. And even though whenever you are entering in the corporate sector, though you have the gold medalist kind of person, though you have ample of knowledge about your field, though you have the all type of certifications of your technical skills, then also if you are lacking somewhere in your soft skills, then also people will not able to accept you. You cannot able to survive in this market, you cannot able to sustain there. And why these things are important, why these things are happen? Because of only the personality development. You are lacking somewhere in the soft skills, you are lacking somewhere in the personality development, and that's why you have to more focus on the personality development. Now you should have to understand that personality cannot be developed in 1 or 2 days. It's a gradual process, it's a long journey that you have to start from today itself. Gradually, slowly, and eventually you will get your destination. You have to cautiously, deliberately, you have to give command to your brain that now you are in the formal situation, so you should behave in that manner. Now you are in the informal situation, so you have to behave in that manner. So all these means the changes of the behavior, the changes of mannerism, the changes of communication skills, presentation skills, that you have to deliberately explain or give order to your mind, and you have to cautiously focus on that whether you can able to transform yourself from according to the situation or not. Personality plays a vital role in our day to day life, so everybody is judging you in within a with in each and every seconds. It's not talent, it's a skill, so that's why you have to develop it gradually. As I mentioned you earlier in the communication skills also, like 55% your body language is communicating. The people will observe you, judging you, criticizing you, they are creating your image in their minds only by your communication skills and by your body language, means in fact by your non-verbal communications. So that's why 55% your body is communicating with other people. So that's why you have to give more attention towards your body language. Whenever you are standing in front of the mirror, at that time you have to focus on your facial expressions, on your body language, on your standing style, on your sitting style, your gesture, your posture, everything should be observed by you. The study of personality development means you can divide into 4 categories. Like you have to evaluate yourself in 4 ways. First of all, you have to evaluate yourself first. What type of person you are? Because you should be clear in your point of view that what type of person you are. Then you can reflect and then you can represent yourself in front of the people. Then start to develop accordingly. Then stick to it. like don't copy others, don't manipulate yourself by according to the people who are in front of you. Be there and be yourself. Whatever the person you are, you just have to represent yourself only. You cannot represent to other people. If you are copying other or representing other people, if you are imitating other people, it will be a bad impression about your personality. So be you, whatever you are. This is the first thing. Then the second thing is that personality development's impact on the personal and professional fronts. Your personal and professional life will be affect on your personality development skills. So that's why, though it is your personal life, though you are having a conversation, you are with your family, your friends, your relatives or neighbors, you should be cautious that how the way you are connecting with them, how the way you are communicating with them. Similarly, you should have to take more cautious or more attention towards your professional situation also. Whenever you are in the professional life, professional situation, you should have to be more attentive so that people will observe you and judge you in a positive manner. Then you have to focus on your attitude also, that whether you are, whenever you are telling, whenever you are explaining something, you are connecting with the people, the positive vibration should be generate, and that positive vibration should be connect with the people. They should feel that you are positive, you have the positive vibrations, you are the positive mindset person, and that vibrations you have to create about you, around yourself also. So good personality, and the last thing is that good personality needs the healthy body and healthy mind. These two are the important factors. If you have the healthy body and healthy mind, then definitely your personality can be developed in a proper manner, and the people can see that yes, he is the well mannered kind of person, he is the well behavior kind of person. Personality development, it doesn't mean that you just have to wear the costly and expensive dresses, you are just wearing the good costume outfits and going in front of the people, and then you can make a good impression. No, your impression will be based on your behavior, your attitude and your mannerisms, the way you are communicating with the people, the way you are behaving with the people. So your personality can be reflect with these kind of skills only. So those things are very important, but very minor things which you have to take the efforts, do the efforts very deliberately. So this is how the personality development. Again, in the next session we are talking about the personality development part 2, that how the way you can develop your personality, what are the more core areas that you can focus on, that you can emphasize on that, and you can be a successful person in your life. So stay tuned. Thank you.